Let me ask you this, just full stop, kind of a rapid fire here. BTC 40K in 2023. Do you think it gets there?
Yeah, it could be a boring 5, 6, 7 months here. I think, just a bunch of choppiness.
I think you're right as far as the price goes. Yeah, I think it will be boring as far as the price, but we haven't been short of crypto stories here anyway, as the year has gone on. And of course, anybody that's watching this show or is in tune with what's going on in DeFi and real crypto knows that there's other big things coming as well. So we're going to get into some of that action here too. But yeah, I
Yeah.
think we're basically looking until early 2024 until we start to see some real
Yeah.
okay, yeah, that things are heating up here,
And then depending on what the SEC decides to do, if they get their head out of their ass,
Mhm.
and decide to actually define a digital currency or a digital asset, whatever, this could be a very important bull market as well. Because I think there will be a lot of regulations that happen during that time within the next couple of years. So just keep an eye out for that too. This may be everyone's final chance to at least get some of those massive gains that we're kind of used to seeing.
I know what you mean. Yeah, it could be, I think we're still in this big crypto bubble for a while, but I agree with you that I think, the days of the Wild West are not going to last forever. And that's something
Mhm.
that people do need to realize, which is why it's so advantageous to identify what's good to invest in right now, in your own opinion. Let me ask you this, just full stop, kind of a rapid fire here. BTC 40K in 2023. Do you think it gets there?
I think it touches that. I think it
Okay.
takes a while.
Yeah, me too. That's not so boring. I mean, getting to 40K within this year, that's another good leg up. And
Well, we're
there's
already at
been
30.
we are, but I mean, we haven't really been trading far over 30 at all. Like there haven't been multiple days closing over 30. I think like around 38, if I remember, there might have been like a lot of kind of support and stuff. So I think 40. I think 40 is probably. I don't know. What's the max you think BTC could trade at this year? I mean, do you see something like 50 this year? Because I don't think I could see that.
I don't, not by the end of the year. I don't think, nah, I don't think so. I think, yeah, I mean, you're looking at this level. This is one of the support levels here, which is right at 39.40,
Hmm.
and then up into this channel, which is about 48. So I would say somewhere in there by the end of the year, if it starts to take off. Again, I think it really depends on when they pause. Um, because I remember Richard saying something like, after the pause, the bottom of the market is truly about 6 months after that. Now,
Right.
that's most of the financial markets, not necessarily crypto, but they have been mirroring it somewhat well. We'll have to see how that plays out. But yeah, I mean, I think we could hit 40 by the end of 2023.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see that too. I think that's probably a modest, positive scenario. So,
Yeah.
um, I want to transition into something you kind of alluded to. Speaking of Gary Gensler and the SEC here, we're going to get to them and the fun that's going on with them here in a moment. But if you guys are here and enjoying the stream so far, hit the like, subscribe to whatever channel you're watching. I am Broke Boy Crypto. This is Crypto Ewok. We do this every single Wednesday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What did Ren say there? 2023 is our last chance to what?
To buy crypto at their lowest prices, at least for the next
Yeah.
bull. Yep.
Exactly, and that's why people need to be. If you are here right now, or if you're just getting in now, that's kind of the great catch 22. Is a lot of the people that are going to be participating in this next bull cycle aren't even here yet, so
Yep. Yep.
they won't be buying at these prices. But if you are here now, even if you missed the lows of 2022, and you're catching it on the leg up and the swing up here, you're definitely not too late. I mean, we are still right there. Maybe you didn't get to buy 2 cent hex. Maybe you didn't get to buy. I don't know what else was out there. I mean, everything. I mean, like we've talked about before, you can throw a dart basically and do really well right now. So,
$800 ETH.
yeah, it was 800. Yeah, that was actually that was almost a year ago, man. Do you believe
Yeah,
that? That was
I
June
know.
of
I
last
know.
year.
Crazy.
Crazy to
Almost a
think.
year. 15K Bitcoin,
Yeah. We're coming up on Terra Luna
anniversary.
anniversary,
Yeah.
if that's what you want to call it. Yeah, I remember that day, man. Like I remember it because that was like the first I think we really went below 30K like in earnest. And yeah, one of these days in May, we just had this colossal red candle, and it was just the confirmation, like,
Mhm.
yeah, things are going down, and it's not going to be a great
Yep.
year. So,
And to touch on Clifton Lewis says, great to
Mhm.
be here. ETH gas prices are worse than inflation. Worse than the inflation, I think you meant. But yeah, the gas prices have been just out of control. 70, 80, 100. I saw over 100 the other day, 117, I think it was.
Yep.
Just been out of control. Pulse chain can't get here fast enough.
That is correct. And what we're going to touch on probably quickly, but one of the reasons I think those Gwei prices have been so terrible here shortly. But yeah, either way. I mean, yeah, the gas prices on ETH for a long time have been a problem. Gone are the days. I mean, last December it was phenomenal. I was doing all kinds of stuff on ETH at that time at like 10 Gwei and stuff, but we are not there anymore. So,
Nope.
hexpassiveincome.com. My friend Crypto Coffee has created what I think is probably the best course for a new cryptocurrency investor. Not only that, but these courses usually charge an arm and a leg. Crypto Coffee is only charging $200. I think right now he actually has a discount for $150. I have a link below in the description. If you are new to crypto, do not understand Hex and how it works, click the link below. It's a quick, easy course. He only gives you the basics. I personally, myself, have thought about creating an intro to crypto course in the past. I don't think there's any reason to do so because Matt, Crypto Coffee, has already taken care of that. And I don't think anything needs to be added by anybody else. So check it out. The link is in the description and sign up to Hex Passive Income today.